Today, the activity that we had, giving recognition to the rightful employees or outstanding employees, I hope that should be an exemplification and definitely would be a model of what shall we do at this government. Day by day, months by months, I am asking myself if I will still be relevant or if the city government will still be relevant. In these troubled times, as I said countlessly, that it's better that we have the local government, because if we have better employees and officers of the government at the local government units, if we have 1,000 in the whole country and half of that would be doing good, half of the country would be great. But today, I would like to reiterate, I am thankful to all the members of the city government of Calapan, the employees, the heads, and the city council for providing me the necessary supplement and of course the backup in order to do day by day our task. Ang sabi, yung daw 2 months natin ay parang 2 taon na. Siguro it's just more than a challenge for us to work hard, still do good for the betterment of our communities. I told the members of the CDCEA to implement the regular award for outstanding employees, and I think that should commence on March. At ang aking commitment, for every month, for the award, apart from the recognition, you will be awarded about 10,000 pesos. And for the annual outstanding employee of the city government, you will be receiving 100,000. It's not really about money. It's not really about monetary consideration. It's about our outlook and our help that we will do for the city government of Calapan. As I told you, people come and go, as leaders come and go. But as we are here, mandated by the people to be around, to lead in this direction, definitely later on, we will always be proud at one given time in our city governance, we have been together making a great city of Calapan. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat.